Hey y'all, so today I am going to feed some of the farm animals some cucumbers and squash out of our garden. Here is just the cucumbers. Here comes Emma. I think the baby goat's saying no. They don't like cucumbers. No cucumbers for y'all? That's my finger. I know he will love it, y'all. What are y'all doing? Here. What, Blue? You want some cucumbers? What? There you go. Cut up some more. Did that scare you? Did it scare you? Not for you? Y'all want to try some squash? No? Not for y'all? So what you think about the squash, huh? I don't think they were too impressed with the squash and cucumbers. I mean, some of them seem like they like it, others turn their nose up to it. But that's okay. I tried. Alright, for more videos from us, be sure to like this video, comment this video on other things you guys think I should try to feed the chickens for y'all to see. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. And also click that bell too so y'all will be notified as soon as I post a video. Alright, bye!